Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, we are headed to the shop because we're going to be working on the 2002 Chevy S-10 today. We're going to be changing out those pesky O2 sensors and getting rid of this ugly service engine light. So we're here in the shop. You just saw that we got that check engine light on, and I want to show you guys what codes it's pulling up when I run the scanner on it. So I've got my cheapy little scanner here. I'm just gonna plug that in up under the OBD2 plug there. You see it comes on right away. We turn our key on, let it kind of do its dingy. We'll give her a little diagnostic here. It's gonna look it up, detecting. Read codes, stored codes, coolant temperature, below thermostat, heater circuit, bank 1, sensor 1. Okay, so looks like we got a couple issues. This coolant thermostat is new, so we'll have to get one of those, but we're gonna address this here O2 sensor. So if you remember a few videos back, we went ahead and replaced that fuel line that we had a leak in, and that was causing multiple misfires, and that was throwing a check engine light that was actually doing the blinking flash of death, which wasn't a good thing. So we got that taken care of, and we cleared that code, but we still had the O2 sensor issue. Now, if you'll remember previously, say about a year and a half ago, we did replace one O2 sensor because it was giving us a check engine light. We did that one, and another one went shortly after that. Yes, at some point we need to address this front seal. It is leaking here. We got a little issue there. And I got some steering leaks I see. It's like the hose. Switch them out. Sometimes it's good to get up under here and do a little assessment. But let's get to what we were here for. If you'll remember, this here is the O2 sensor that we replaced last time. Now we need to replace this one. That's in a decent location. We can get to that without any issues. So let's get cracking. So here you can see the difference in the two. Obviously the one is long past its life, so we'll get this new one thrown in and she'll be good. They're waiting. Not the best idea. Okay, so you'll notice our check engine light is off. We did clear that. We're off the hoist. We're heading out. We're gonna start our journey home, and we're gonna see if that light stays off. Now it might come back on, and that would be that thermostat temperature sensor, but we'll drive here a little bit and we will update you as to what happens. So it might not come on until we get to operating temperature, which would make sense if the thermostat is the problem. And that's easy enough to take care of. But I've never seen a check engine light come on for a thermostat. Now, there might be an actual, like, the coolant temperature sensor, and not so much the thermostat itself. But so far, everything's good. We might have to get up to speed here a little bit. I'm stuck at a stoplight, so once I get going here, I will check back in. We've gone about 15 miles or so, still no check engine light. I'm not gonna argue with that. I'm gonna say today's little venture was a success. I couldn't be more pleased with the outcome of today's little venture. Not having that light on, staring me back in the face, it's kind of a nice thing. It's something I haven't seen in a while. It's gonna make driving a little more enjoyable. I mean, it's already crazy fun driving this little truck, and knowing that I don't have any issues even makes it more enjoyable. So that's gonna wrap things up for us here today. I hope you have enjoyed. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.